Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use the electronic parking brake in your Audi. This tutorial will work for all of the Audi A and Q models, so if you guys have any of these models, this solution will work for you. So basically guys, if you want to use the electronic parking brake, it's pretty simple. All you need to do guys is go here to these buttons right here in the right side. So basically guys, before you use this electronic parking brake, make sure that your gear is in P firstly, and then of course you need to be pressing the parking brake, the brake with your legs, and then here just look for this P button. This button you need to pull it to your direction, and then you will see this red light. This means that the electronic parking brake is on. If you want to remove it, all you need to do guys is again press the brake and then click on it the opposite direction. Don't pull it, but give it a click, and then you will be able to remove the brake. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.